Dogpay KYC Authentication Tutorial. Go to the Dogpay homepage and click on KYC verification to begin the verification process. The verification process consists of 3 steps. Click Continue to begin the verification. First, please fill in your personal information as instructed. After completing the form, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Upload your nationality identity information. Take photos of both sides of your ID card. Step 3. Perform facial recognition. Perform head operations according to the prompts below. Save your information, and then verify your email address. Enter the correct email verification code. KYC verification successful. You can use it with peace of mind.